In this video, we'll show you how to manually vacuum your swimming pool using a traditional manual pool vacuum and the tools and supplies you'll need to do it. To vacuum your pool, you're going to need a pool vacuum head, 1.5 inch pool vacuum hose, a telescopic pool pole, and a Skim vac plate. To start, you can attach your vacuum head to your telescopic pole. To do this, squeeze the 2 snap plugs on either side of the vac head handle and insert the handle into the telescopic pole so that the snap plugs lock into place. We can then attach the vacuum hose to the vac head. The vacuum hose has 2 different ends. One end swivels and the other does not. You can attach the end that does swivel to your vacuum head by pressing it firmly onto the fitting. Before you start vacuuming, you need to make sure your skimmer has full suction. So if you have main drains, close the main drain valve so your skimmer has 100% of the suction. If you don't have main drains, you can skip this step. The next step is to fill your vacuum hose with water. To do this, sink the vacuum into the pool so it rests on the bottom of the pool. Then feed the vacuum hose into the water to force the air out of the hose. This eliminates any air so the pump doesn't lose its prime when you connect the vacuum to your skimmer. When the hose is fully fed into the water, you can connect the Skim vac plate to the vacuum hose, ensuring the skimmer basket is in the skimmer. Then insert the Skim vac plate into the skimmer, ensuring you have a good seal against the skimmer basket. Now that the vacuum is connected, you can start vacuuming. The vacuum head should produce a good amount of suction on the pool floor, but if not, you can increase the speed of your pump to get more suction. Slowly work around the pool, sucking up any debris as you go. All the large debris you vacuum will be caught in your skimmer basket, and the finer debris will work its way through the system, which will then be caught by your filter. When you're finished vacuuming, lean your pole against the side of the pool and turn off your pool pump. With the pump turned off, you'll easily be able to disconnect the vacuum from the skimmer and empty any debris from the skimmer basket. When you're done vacuuming, if you have a sand filter, backwash and rinse the filter, or if you have a cartridge filter, monitor the filter pressure and clean the filters as needed. With a clean pool, you can store away your pool gear and enjoy your pool until next time.